Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous swag, which would be great on a lantern or as a wreath attachment. So let's get started. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to cut a piece long enough to fold in half and lay down into the Bowdabra. So I'm just going to fold it in half here, lay it into my Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath so they just stay out of my way. Then I have this orange mesh ribbon, and I'm just going to kind of fold it over here so that it you don't see any fray. And I'm just scrunching it down into the Bowdabra. So it's our scrunchy bow, which I love to do with the mesh. Just scrunch that down in here. And then at the end, I'm going to do the same thing, except it's catching on itself. So we'll just take this, I'm going to do this up here so it doesn't catch. And then I'm just going to bring this here and scrunch it down into the Bowdabra. And then now what I'm going to do is take my florals, and I'm going to lay this one going this way and this one this way. Just kind of lay those in here and lay these like this. And then I'm going to take my leaves or greenery, which is really gold, but it's greenery. And I'm going to just lay this here and take this one. So it's so super simple to lay all this stuff into the Bowdabra. And then we have our pumpkin. I have to have a pumpkin, a black pumpkin for Halloween. Lay that in here. Then I'm going to take my sunflowers and just lay those going here. And I'll lay this one going this way, and I'll fix it once I'm done the way exactly I want it. Then what I'm going to do, whoops, looks like they want to pop out, is I'm going to take my Twinkle ribbon and lay this in here. And then I'm going to take another piece of Twinkle ribbon, and I've already dovetailed the ends, and we're just going to make a loopy bow, and we're just going to fold it back and forth, and I'm going to fold and twist and fold and twist, because I want the right side, I want my glittery side on the outside of my bow. And I'm just going to make a little bit smaller loop here and make sure that these are the same size. And then I'm going to go down in the center, and I'm going to take some of our black Twinkle ribbon, and I'm just going to make a little scrunchy bow. So I'm just going to fold this over. So what's cool with the scrunchy bow is you can make it with any kind of ribbon. And we'll just scrunch this down. It works best if it's like a big ribbon, like a mesh, or at least a 5-inch wide ribbon. But if it's wired, you can use any width. So, well, not any width, but we're using like about a 1.5 inch. But if you're using the mini Bowdabra, you can use a smaller ribbon for your scrunches. So I'm just going to pull this through here and pull it out of my Bowdabra. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm tying it really tight here. So we're just going to tie it real tight. And I'm going to tie a knot. And now, so this makes really good even for indoor decor or for outside on your door for Halloween. And just kind of separate these. And I'm going to bring these up here. I want them facing upwards. And take my bow loops and separate them, and then take this loop here and this loop here. And I knew I had one more loop. Take that there. You have the tails, and bring everything in here. And now you have this beautiful swag for either inside or outside. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.